If Canva is showing error 522, don't worry. This usually means the website is having a connection timeout, and in many cases, you can fix it with a few simple steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to troubleshoot Canva error 522 so you can get back to designing as soon as possible. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and tutorials. First, open Canva and refresh the page. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary loading problem and a simple refresh is enough to reconnect. If that doesn't work right away, wait 2 to 5 minutes and try again. Error 522 can happen when Canva's servers or your connection are having trouble communicating, so giving it a short break can solve the issue without any extra steps. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can trigger this type of timeout error, so open your browser and search for speed test. Run a speed test and see if your connection is stable. If your internet is very slow, weak, or dropping out, that may be the reason Canva isn't loading properly. If the speed test looks fine, but Canva still isn't working, restart your router. Turn it off, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This helps reset your network connection and can clear temporary issues affecting access to websites like Canva. After your router comes back online, try opening Canva again and see if the error is gone. If you still see the same problem, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted and interfere with loading websites correctly. To do this, open your browser menu, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected, and then click Clear. Once the cache is cleared, close and reopen the browser, then go back to Canva and test it again. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the problem completely. Just remember, error 522 is usually a connection timeout rather than a problem with your Canva account itself, so the fix is often on the browser or internet side. If Canva still doesn't load after trying all of these steps, the issue may be temporary on Canva's end, so you may just need to wait a little longer and try again later. I hope this tutorial helped you fix Canva error 522 quickly. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more simple step-by-step fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.